Are you in need of roof repair, replacement, or installation of a new roof? Don't risk losing your furniture and all your belongings because of a leaky or damaged roof. Even minor roof issues can turn into major problems if left unrepaired. You need professional roofing contractors who have the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to provide you with complete installation or repair services. That's why we're here to help. Our highly trained, licensed, insured, and experienced team of professionals are proud to offer the best roofing services for all types of roof. From installation to repair and replacement, we tackle each project with care and with a focus on communication and getting the job done right the first time. You will be glad to know that not only do we use top quality materials and work tirelessly to craft the perfect roof for your home, but our pricing is very affordable. Contact us today for a no-obligation estimate.